Hello, students. You can probably guess who this is. Your professor, Dr. Mink. And this is tutorial 4-9, which demonstrates radio buttons and checkboxes. What I'd like to do first is run the application, and then we'll take a look at the code behind it. So if I run this, we have a group box with radio buttons on the left and a group box with um, checkboxes on the right-hand side. So it's running. And if I select T, you notice coffee becomes deselected because this is a group of radio buttons and only one can be selected at a given time. So let's go back to coffee. Yet on the checkboxes, we have the ability to check multiple. So let's check whipped cream and mocha. And I know what it does. It concatenates a series of strings and adds them to a label in a status strip down here. So it's going to say you selected coffee and whipped cream and mocha. If I go back and I select amaretto, okay, if I deselect whipped cream, okay, and if I select tea and mocha and amaretto, how about a soft drink, mocha and amaretto? Yuck. I don't think I would like that, but it does provide the option, I guess. So let's take a look at the code behind this. Event handler for the OK button. Oh, and you want to notice real quick, you have your status strip. And if I look at the items added to the status strip, label result is added to the status strip. So that will display in the status strip. So let's go back to our code. Okay. If rad coffee dot checked equals true, okay. Else if rad tea dot checked equals true, else if rad soft drink dot checked equals true. And if you select that button, that radio button, you'll see rad coffee, radio button, rad tea, rad soft drink. And over here, we've got check whipped, check mocha, check amaretto. So if we go back here, if rad coffee checked equals true, then label result.text equals you selected coffee. Else if rad t.checked equals true, then label result.text equals you selected t, etc. Then we come down here, determine which checkboxes are selected. If check whipped.checked is true, label result.text and equals. That means label result.text equals the existing text property and comma and whipped cream. Then we have an end if. These are not a series of else ifs because if check whipped is checked, we want to redefine the text property for label result and add to it, concatenate to that string, comma and whipped cream. Then we come down here, we evaluate if check mocha.checked equals true. So if this is true, we redefine the text property of label text to include whatever was added to the radio by the radio button and this and whipped cream. So if check mocha.checked is also true, we're going to take the existing text property, which may have had and whipped cream added to it, if that were true, and we're going to add to that comma and mocha. And if. New if statement, not if else. Okay, these are mutually exclusive. If check amaretto.checked is true, then we're going to add an amaretto. So that's how that works, and it concatenates or adds those strings to the label result.text property, which is displayed down in the status strip. Hope this helps. you should really complete this tutorial to get a good feel for how to handle radio buttons and checkboxes. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.